Here's how to update TikTok on your iPhone. Now, if you have TikTok open, let's close out of the app first and then open up the App Store. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways to be able to do this. One is the simple way, and the second way is to clear the cache and storage on it and force update it. So the first option you have is to tap on your profile at the top right and make sure that you're logged into your account. As long as you're logged into your account, all you need to do is tap on search at the very bottom, and we're going to just search for the TikTok app here. Now you'll be able to see it might say next to TikTok to update it. Keep in mind, if it doesn't say update or doesn't give you that option, or you want a more robust option, I'll show you how to do it. Let's hop out of here and instead open up the settings. Within the settings, all we're going to do is tap on General and then iPhone Storage. This shows you every single app that is downloaded on your phone. All you need to do is go to the TikTok app here and offload it and reinstall it. The nice thing by going through this process, essentially it force updates it to the latest version, but also it clears out any of the cache and temporary files on there and fixes lots of bugs or glitches.